Hi guys, so today we're out with my student Yaya and we're trying to take some interesting foods. We put some bread here and I just got, hey Yaya, come here. Do you wanna try the cake? Do you wanna try the cakes?
No.
This one is very nice.
This?
Yeah, take it. Take one. So we're just trying to get some food and yeah, we've got different kinds of food like in IKEA and then here they've got some chips and some other stuff, some barbecue there and I'm here. This is Sweden的国旗。
我觉得是在那里正确的。我感觉好像好。
I'm happy to see you the Pokemon, you know. Wait, you need to press it very hard. Yeah. You press it like this. You press it hard, then you touch like this.
但是没事儿，它好了应该怎么说
I'm full. Hi guys, so I just had lunch here and I'm with Yaya here. I just finished eating and I'm with Mr. Marty here. Hey! We just had lunch. We're having some good local food over here. It's been a good day. Yeah.
Shelf.
You can pick, look here, Yo-Yo. You can pick.
What? No, 那个不可以，
You can also
那个不可以哦，
this off. Wow.
那个是人家装饰的，你一拿人家就要赔呢。
You can also keep different kinds of stuff here. It's so beautiful. Oh, what's this in here?
Cabinet， or you can call 大衣柜叫 wardrobe， 小的 cabinet。
So you can put this stuff there. Oh, I found this one. Oh, the sauce there. Come on. I could have tried them. And different dresses. We can get them right here. So, what's the jacket? Oh, I found them. Look them up. So what's this here?
This is
You don't know?
I don't know.
Oven microwave oven micro 的微型的 wave 是波 microwave oven
你能不能给我这个叫盘？
oven or oven
爸爸，你
oven
能不能给我这个叫盘？
yes
Microwave.
你个子对我高的。
microwave oven
But you can also call it the microwave.
a microwave so what's this
A tub? This one?
sink yeah sink
This is
jug
Jack.
You know, I think it's a kettle.
kettle oh it's a kettle yeah it's true
Because it's got
this is a kettle
Yeah.
yeah
Kettle. Okay.
and what's
What
this
is this one called?
This is I don't know what's this.
电磁炉
It's a
我这个
scale.
挺空的，
It's a
那
scale.
个量的。
称吗
It's a
scale
scale.
scale
Scale.
scale
Yeah. Okay.
It's a scale.
Yeah.
cut machine
It's got a equator. Right here, like this decorating some vegetables. Okay. Yeah, what is this inside? A ball.
Wow.
Yeah, what is this
我买了一个勺子。哦，对，
Plate.
我买了一个勺子。
Yes.
我买了一个勺子，巧克力老师。
Pot.
巧克力老师，我买了一个勺子。
A pan.
Pan.
我刚才买了一个勺子。
Mm.
And this
你
one.
咋没听见呢，巧克力老师？
Brush? No. It's a pillar. Pillar. Yes.
This one here.
Spoon.
And then this one.
Dishes.
巧克力老师，我刚才买了一个
So what is this?
爸爸。
Can I put him down?
啊呀，臭宝你下来吧，下来走上。一会儿走累了再说吧。
And then it's gonna make the house to have some good smell. Also, just make the house feel comfortable. Seriously? No, no. You can only use it for making this house to have some good scent inside, you know? Yeah, it's not cool.
这个花能干啥呀？
This is dried flowers. Okay?
Dried flowers.
Dried flowers. Dried flowers. 臭宝。
它可以干啥？
It's very. It's a kind of perfume. 有点像香水的感觉。
Which one do you like? This one? How do you like it? You understand? Oh, what's up?
Yeah, I don't want to try because I lost the keys here. I lost my car key here. So I really got a lesson. I don't want to sit. No. I don't want to sit or lying anywhere. I just stand or working is okay. Yeah, I don't want to lose anything here.
Can you tell me what's missing here?
Flower.
So what's missing here? Huh? What is this yo-yo? Like this?
What's this?
This is
Chobar. What's this? It's sunflower.
Flower.
It's sunflower. So what's this?
this is TV.
What's this?
What's on there?
Light.
It's a lime. What's this?
This is tree.
Green plant. It's a green plant. What are these? Cabinet. Cabinet. What is this? It's a sofa. What's this?
This is
There is a laptop on the desk. There is a laptop on the desk. Plate.
是那个呢 DISH
Dish.
Dish
Yes.
这是玻璃，
Look here. What are those?
它这是玻璃。
How is it hard to say?
Chopsticks.
Chopstick
拿上说，拿起来，展示感更强。What are these? Two, double, not one. If we use the chopsticks, we use two, right? It's a pair of chopsticks, but not only one. Yeah. 臭宝不敢动。
주방小心。
臭宝来学习这，过来，come here.
주방 come here, come here. Okay. The chopstick. 주방. The chopstick.
那外国人比我会快。
臭宝 what's this? Chopsticks.
Yeah, chopsticks. Oh. Okay, 오늘 하나 What's this here?
Sink. This is a sink.
What's this?
A sink.
A tub.
我有
A tub.
Water tap. Water tap. This is called the lazy sofa. 懒人沙发. Lazy sofa. Spinning. Spinning sofa. Monkey. Come on. Wow. What's this? Come on, what's this? This is a octopus.
它这个是啥？
Okay, I give everything, okay?
Yeah. Come on, what's this? It's a cat. 拿着吧，你把这个拿着吧。不要这个。Okay. You need a dog. Okay. Shop.
Look here, yo.
我玩这个吧。
What?
我要玩。
No, 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 no. 那个不可以，
You can also
那个不可以哦。
the shop. Wow.
那个是人家超市的，你一拿人家就要赔呢。
You can also keep different kinds of stuff there.
Cabinet. Or you can call 大衣柜叫 wardrobe. Wardrobe. 小的 cabinet.
So you can put your stuff there. Oh, I found this one. Oh, the short there. I could have tried them. And different dresses. We can get them right, yeah? Purple. Just a jacket. No, I want them to just hook them up. Oh, this is so. I like
眼
this
镜，
part.
你看。